What if you were able to sweep up to 10 times faster? Pick up as you go, from small debris and dust to large bottles and even half a brick. It's time to revolutionise your cleaning with the Litterbug Pro range. The Litterbug has an innovative design that proves to be extremely efficient, having finished its clean cycle before its competitors have even started. The Pro range features cylindrical front-facing brushes with an inward cycle to attack the litter head-on. What's more, the brushes will only spin one way, meaning you can continue to pick up even when moving backwards. Litter is brushed into the central path and led into the cleaning funnel. An additional brush located behind the cylindrical brushes helps to guide the litter collected directly into the collection bin. Compared with its nearest competitor, this process is up to 75% faster. On traditional automated sweepers, there is one brush on the side to direct debris under the sweeper and a brush at the back of the machine to force the collected items forward again into the collection bin. Pretty long-winded and inefficient, isn't it? The Litterbug can pick up what others can't. Try picking up a plastic bottle, for instance, with a competitor range. You won't pick up anything that can't fit under the plastic covering due to its functionality. The Litterbug has a large intake funnel and a powerful brush rotation that can sweep anything from small debris to half a brick. Still not impressed? Well, we know how much of a pain it can be when the good old British weather meets the fall of autumn leaves, which seem to welt themselves to the ground when wet. At the very least, we're talking about a slip hazard. Simply use the front adjustment dial to change the brush's height setting and away you go. With the ability to move the brushes closer to the ground and create more contact, wet leaves may never bother you again. What else? The Litterbug Pro range has either a 77cm or 97cm cleaning path for maximum productivity. Add that to a 50-litre collection bin and the ability to move with just one finger makes super light work with the battery version, which makes it even easier to push and clean into corners. There is an additional wheel under the collection bin which allows you to easily push the machine without sweeping, in case the mess is across premises. The collection bin itself is easily removed and reattached with the handy lock lever, and the push handle can be removed for easy storage and transportation. Never worry about cost per square metre again. Achieve phenomenal return on investment with this innovative piece of German engineering that delivers time and time again. The Litterbug Pro 770 and 970. Call or email today to book a demonstration.